In this episode, we are going to show you a junior balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. We think you're going to love it, and it's coming up. Okay, in this episode, we are going to be showing you cabin number 15229. This is a junior balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. Let's go in and check it out. All right, come on in. Welcome to the stateroom. So let's start talking about this vanity area first. This is a really large vanity area. You can spread your stuff out all over this place. We got a couple shelves here to put whatever you would like. Love this mirror on the vanity. It brings so much additional light to the room. It is absolutely fabulous. And another thing Carnival has done with the Excel class ships, they have given you more outlets, which is so wonderful. And you actually have 4 USB plugins, which is absolutely fabulous. Now, let's look here. They have a nice refrigerator. And if I can get it open, I love it. They even have these little shelves and everything. Super awesome. And it's actually cold in there too, which is really nice. We have some drawer space, some information about the ship. And here you should have, yep, there's your hair dryer so you don't have to bring one from home. And then we actually really love this stool here. It's a great stool, but it also serves as storage. Now, Jason and I, we actually put our dirty clothes in here when we were on the Mardi Gras, so that works great. And then you can flip this over, and it is a tray. You can sit it here, you can put your food, your coffee, whatever. So fabulous. All right. And then we have our couch. Now, the couch does convert into a bed if you need that. Right here we have a little reading light that's activated when you just pull it up, so that is wonderful. Now, we have a king-size bed here. It can be split into 2 twin-size beds and just give you a little bit more space on each side. We have reading lamps again here and a couple shelves on either side of the bed. All right, come on, Jason. Huge TV here, which is so good. So much bigger than some of your older Carnival ships, so that is amazing. Let's go out to the balcony and check it out. All right, come on out to the balcony. Again, this is a nice sized balcony. It's very private. It's covered overhead, which is wonderful, and gives you an excellent view. Okay, now let's go back in. Now here's one thing that Jason and I were talking about when we sailed on the Mardi Gras and we looked at all the different cabins. Now, from what we can tell, we cannot see a difference between this junior balcony cabin and a regular balcony. I mean, it looks like the same size room, the same size balcony. Everything looks the same. There's a couch in the junior balcony. So hey, if you guys want to save some money, book a junior balcony instead of a balcony, and you get the same thing for less of a price. Okay, now let's check out the bathroom. All right, Jason, it's kind of small, so I'm going to let you just go in there and give everybody a shot of the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is small, but it does what it needs to do for a cruise, right? I mean, wait, does it do what it needs to do? You can do what you need to do in that bathroom on a cruise. Okay, now let's look at the closets. All right. We have 2. Can you get that shot, Jason? What I love about these closets, you've got lots of hangers to start with, but they also have some shelves that you can raise and lower depending on if you need more hanging space or you need more shelf space, so that's wonderful. And I don't know if you can see this here, Jason, they have a full-length mirror. Full-length mirror. All right, and then here is our other 2 closets. Again, same thing, hangers, some shelf space. This one you have some pull-out drawers, which I absolutely love, especially like, you know, you can put your shoes or something in that one there, and then you also have your safe in here. So So Jason, what did you think about the junior balcony cabin here on the Carnival Celebration?
Yeah, I think Carnival is definitely up their game with all of the Excel class suites and the balcony cabin. That's what we stayed in, right?
We did stay in a junior balcony cabin on the Mardi Gras.
Yeah, so it's definitely, I think that's a really good point that you made, that it's hard to tell the difference between this and a standard balcony. So for us, look, if we're going to save some money, we're going to take that step. And if we can't notice the difference, somebody may chime in. Chime in below. Let us know if you know what the difference is. But the question is the difference worth the money? And for us, if we can't notice it, probably not.
So we have tons more to show you on the Carnival Celebration. If you are interested in this ship or just cruising in general, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it when new episodes are published. We hope to see you on the seas soon. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.